Hey guys, it's a wonderful day here. It's a beautiful day on Sunday. I'm here to do some fraction talks with you today. Fractions happen to be everywhere. One of the strategies that we most often use in class is a number line. So I've comprised several different fractions for you that look just like a number line. First and foremost, the easiest one is money. Money is a really easy one to do. If you look at the whole is $1. Inside $1, you have 10 dimes. So it's 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5, 6, 7, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, 10 over 10, or 1 whole. Within a dollar as well, you can use quarters, 25 cents. So 1 quarter, 2 quarters, or 1/2, 3 quarters, 4 over 4, which is a whole. When you start using nickels, then you get into a little more complexity, and that's where this kind of gets fun as well. There is 20 nickels that makes $1. So in your first nickel, that's 1/20th, 2/20ths, so on and so forth. You can skip to the end here, and you have 19/20ths, 18/20ths, or if you come to the very end, that last one is 20/20ths, or $1. All right, we're gonna go check out the garden for some fun as well. Fractions and math are everywhere. Here's our garden. So if you see our garden, we can make fractions out of this as well. You could say, how many plants are there in total? Just a hint, there's 11. You could say, how many of these plants are red? The answer would be 1/11. You could ask a question, what's the fraction of these plants that possess flowers? The answer would be, you guessed it, 2/11. Now we're going back up to the deck. This is kind of fun. When you talk about fractions, you can also look at things like measuring tapes and rulers, things that we use in class all the time. Inside your measuring tape, you have fractions that exist all the way from 0 all the way to 100 centimeters. So for example, at this point, it's 73 of 100, or 73 100ths. Once you look at it that way, it's pretty simple. Now this, I kind of had some fun. Your job is going to be able to find fractions throughout your house, but I created a little board for us. This board is 100 centimeters. So I took screws and I put them in at the quarter, half, 3 quarters, and 4/4, or 1 whole. Then I've put it in at the 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. You guessed it. And lastly, I've put it at the half and the whole one last time. However, I tried to be even more sophisticated this time. If you look closely, the quarter is a quarter of the screw. The half is half the screw. The 3/4 is 3/4 of the screw all the way in, and the whole all the way through. Our third is just slightly smaller than our quarter. The 2/3 is in between the half and the 3/4, and our whole is all the way in. Our 2 halves line up, and our holes are all the way through. Team, fractions are everywhere. Go through your house, make a list of fractions that you can find. Get creative. It could be in a garden, it could be in your fridge, your closet. Compare them. Have some fun. Draw me a picture. Make me a video using the Edsby video chats function. Or you can type them out. The choice is yours. Enjoy. Math is fun. Math is everywhere. Let's enjoy these times together at home and make the best out of this situation. I'm pumped to see what you guys have. Talk to you later.